Welcome to eye training course, and today's topic: eliminate bad vision habits to improve eyesight naturally. Bad vision habits can hold you back from progress. One of the most common bad vision habits is constant eye strain at a phone screen. Eye muscle gets tired, the retina gets tired, and the eyes cannot hold this strain and can go to accommodative spasm due to overstrain. If left unaddressed, eye fatigue can lead to more serious vision problems over time. Our task is to implement a clear vision habits of giving our eyes periodical rest from the screens. Every 1 minute, watch around to a different distance, so the eyes can rest, eye muscles can relax from static overload, and the retina can get rest from artificial lights. Another bad habit of poor vision is squinting your eyes. Usually myopic people squint a lot. It is bad vision habits because eye muscles and eyeballs are under the pressure of tense eyelids. It causes eye fatigue very quickly. The main problem with squinting is that the eyes cannot switch focus to a different distance. To focus far, for example, eyes need to relax oblique eye muscles and contract straight rectus muscles. Eyes can refocus to a different distance only in a relaxed state. All micromuscles of the eyes cannot work properly if the eyeballs are under pressure of squinting. Relaxed eyes and frequent relaxed blinking can improve your focusing function. We need to eliminate bad vision habits to improve your eyesight. At least 5 bad vision habits you can find in a blog post link below, or in a video, the top 5 bad vision habits to eliminate and reverse myopia, astigmatism, or hyperopia. If you want a more comprehensive Eyesight Academy course to get better vision naturally, where you can find around 30 bad vision habits to eliminate, enroll in Eyesight Academy course, link in the description below.